In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a PlayStation 5 controller on Roblox Mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see, I'm able to use my controller to play Roblox Mobile. Currently, I'm playing Blox Fruits, but to my knowledge, this is going to work with any experience that offers controller support. Of course, you can still use touch controls, but for this video, I'm gonna be doing controller-only gameplay. So setting up your PlayStation 5 controller to work with Roblox Mobile is super straightforward. The best way is going to be to connect it wirelessly over Bluetooth. However, you can try using a cable as well. So the only requirement is that the controller is connected to your device. So first, go into the settings of any mobile device that you have. Inside of the settings, you will be able to find Bluetooth settings. Now, the first disclaimer that I have to make is that you will notice that I'm not using a DualSense. I'm actually using a GameSir T4 Pro, so I apologize. The controller isn't exactly the same, but the process should be the same across all types of controllers. All that you have to do is make sure that Bluetooth is enabled, and after you enable Bluetooth, put your PlayStation 5 controller or your DualSense in pairing mode, and it is going to appear here. All that you have to do afterwards is tap the controller and make sure that it is properly paired. With the controller detected, go into Roblox and join any experience that requires or supports a controller. Upon doing this, as you saw in the beginning of the video, you will be able to use touch controls, and as you can see for Blox Fruits, console mode activated gamepad. So you will be able to play the entirety of Blox Fruits using only your controller. So this is all you have to do. Like I said in the beginning of the video as well, some games might not offer controller support, so this might differ depending on the game that you are playing, but for most experiences on Roblox that have the controller support properly set up, it's as simple as connecting it to your mobile device over Bluetooth. If you notice that the controller is not being detected, double check the Bluetooth settings and you should be able to get it working as long as it gets detected by your iPhone or Android device. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a PlayStation 5 controller on Roblox Mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.